down, head down. Head down muna. Up. Buka bibig mo. Down. Up. Okay. Good. Okay. Ready. Paddle muna tayo ha. Practice. Hawakan kita dito. Tama. Paddle. Sige, paddle. Up. Up. O, huwag titigil. Kailan nagpapaddle? Kapag inap yung ulo. Go. Paddle mo, paddle. Paddle ka. Kick, kick. Asan yung kick? Paddle, paddle, paddle. Yan, down. Paddle, paddle. Up. Down. O, pwede tumitigil. O. So, kailangan dire-diretso yung paddle. Dito. Ready, go. Paddle. Head down. Paddle. Up. Ina. Ina, down. Pag titigil yung kick, dire-diretso. Up. Down. Okay. May problema tayo, no? Nalilito siya. Mag-paddle ka dun. Kita ka sa iste. Okay. Okay, malapit lang. Mag-paddle. Kick. Go. Paddle. Paddle. Ayaw mag-paddle. Diyan. Bakit ayaw mag-paddle? Malulunod ka dyan. Paddle, paddle. Isa pa. Kailangan gumalaw yung kamay mo. Very good yung pawi. Yung kamay mo ayaw gumalaw. Ready? Paddle. Kamay. Sakay pa. Go. Paddle.